It's time to talk about farro, an ancient grain with nutty flavors, protein galore. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Are you looking to add some variety to your meals? Want to explore the world of ancient grains? Then let's get to grooving with farro. We'll uncover its nutty flavors and protein-packed benefits and share some mouth-watering ways to use it in your kitchen. Get ready to discover why farro is a grain worth getting excited about. Let's start by exploring the origin and history of this amazing grain. Farro, scientifically known as einkorn wheat, is one of the oldest cultivated grains in the world, dating back over 12,000 years. Its history can be traced to the Fertile Crescent, the region in the Middle East often referred to as the cradle of civilization. Unlike modern wheat varieties, farro is a hulled grain, meaning that the outer bran layer is removed, but the germ and endosperm remain intact. This results in a chewy texture and a rich nutty flavor that sets it apart from other grains. Throughout history, farro has been an important part of various cultures' diets. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans grew and consumed farro, and it played a significant role in their daily meals. During the Middle Ages, farro was a staple in Europe, particularly in Italy, where it was used to make polenta, a traditional dish of boiled or baked cornmeal. However, with the advent of newer wheat varieties and the Industrial Revolution, farro gradually fell out of favor and became less common. Luckily, in recent years, there has been a growing interest in ancient grains, and farro has made a comeback. People are rediscovering its unique flavor and nutritional benefits and incorporating it into their modern diets. So let's take a look at the nutritional profile of farro. As mentioned earlier, farro is a good source of protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. It is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. 1 cup of cooked farro provides approximately 18 grams of protein, which is a significant amount, especially considering that most grains are not considered complete proteins. In addition to its protein content, farro is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is a whole grain, meaning it retains the bran, endosperm, and germ, which are the 3 main parts of a grain kernel. The bran is the outer layer and is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The endosperm contains carbohydrates, and the germ is where essential oils, vitamins, and again, minerals are found. This combination of nutrients makes farro a nutritious choice for a balanced diet. It is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. This can be beneficial for weight management and blood sugar control. Farro is also rich in several key vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, and several B vitamins. These nutrients play vital roles in energy production, immune function, and overall health. Now let's explore some delicious and easy recipes featuring farro. From salads to soups and beyond, the possibilities are endless. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Farro and white bean salad. Start by cooking the farro according to the package instructions until al dente. While the farro cooks, combine the chopped vegetables, white beans, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese in a bowl. For the dressing, whisk together extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. Once the farro is cooked, add it to the bowl with the other ingredients and toss to combine. This salad is a delightful combination of textures and flavors. The chewy farro, creamy white beans, and briny olives create a satisfying mouthfeel, while the lemon juice and feta cheese add a burst of acidity and saltiness. To make this salad even more protein-packed, you can add grilled chicken or tofu. Lemony orzo soup with spinach and peas. Begin by sautéing the onion and garlic in a large pot or Dutch oven until fragrant. Add the farro, vegetable broth, and water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer until the farro is almost fully cooked. Stir in the lemon peel, lemon juice, salt, and pepper and cook for a few more minutes. Add the spinach and peas and continue cooking until the spinach wilts. You can serve this soup as is or blend it for a smoother consistency. The lemony broth in this soup is both refreshing and comforting. The farro adds a nice, chewy texture, and the spinach and peas provide a boost of vitamins and minerals. If you prefer a richer soup, you can use chicken or beef broth instead of vegetable broth. Farro and butternut squash risotto. This recipe offers a unique twist to the classic risotto. Start by cooking the farro separately according to the package instructions. While the farro cooks, sauté the onions until softened and slightly caramelized. Add the butternut squash and continue cooking until the squash is tender. Gradually add the hot vegetable broth to the onions and squash, stirring frequently. Once the liquid is absorbed, add the farro, Parmesan cheese, and butter. Continue cooking, stirring occasionally until the risotto is creamy and the farro is fully cooked. The combination of farro and butternut squash in this risotto is truly delicious. The nutty flavor of the farro pairs perfectly with the sweet and creamy squash. The Parmesan cheese adds a rich and savory depth, while the butter gives it a luscious, creamy texture. These recipes are just a starting point to help you incorporate farro into your culinary repertoire. Feel free to experiment with different flavor combinations and cooking methods to find your own favorite dishes. Whether you prefer simple side dishes or more elaborate creations, farro's versatility allows you to explore a wide range of culinary possibilities. And don't forget to share your farro creations with friends and family. The more people who discover the wonders of this ancient grain, the better. So next time you're looking to add some excitement to your meals, consider reaching for a bag of farro. With its rich, nutty flavor, impressive nutritional profile, and culinary versatility, it's sure to impress your taste buds and provide you with a wholesome, nourishing meal. Thank you for joining us on our exploration of farro, an ancient grain that has stood the test of time. From its ancient origins to its modern-day popularity, we've uncovered the fascinating history and numerous health benefits of this incredible grain. We've also shared delicious recipes that showcase its nutty flavor and protein-packed benefits. Remember, you can use farro in countless ways, from salads and soups to risottos and pilafs. The possibilities are endless. So don't wait. Add this superfood to your grocery list and start incorporating farro into your daily meals. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.